I want to do a quick video today. I've done something similar before with a old cell phone charger, but now I have the opportunity to do something different. I have here a broken USB cable, so what I'm going to do is I will show you how to use this broken cable to wake up those lazy model engines. So I will try to do it real quick. So the first thing you gotta do is you gotta cut this wire. Let me show you here. We no longer use. So next I use my knife, go around, cut this thread, and we expose the wire now. We'll try to cut this protective plastic thing. Okay, here's what you need to do. You need to get rid of this protective, this wire is right here, and this mesh, and then we expose all the wires. Here's what I'm going to tell you. We have negative, positive, and data cables. We don't need the data. We just need red and black. And now I will use my stripping wire tool like that. I will plug it, the USB cable on my PC. So there you have everything. And now we can do a little test, see if this thing works. So we have the power. Here's the negative, the positive. Look at that. It's working. So this, we're giving a lady 5 volts of power, and that's good enough to wake up the old models. Look at this. Let's do this again. Excellent. See, let me follow the cord, nothing else. It's just this USB cable right there. That's cool, huh? Well, don't forget to like and subscribe. And it's the same. You can use this on your wall adapter. Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.